Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm doing great and everything is going flawlessly. So I am in the pink. Thanks for your kind concern. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking, and thanks for inviting me on your channel. Um, I wanted to talk with you long time before, but I was very much, busy, so I could not connect earlier. But thank you so much again.
And welcome to my channel and thank you so much for giving your time and joining me today.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much.
So before diving into the
Yes.
ses before diving into the session, can we start with the recording introduction? Please tell me about yourself something.
Yeah, this is Sadia, and I am a homemaker, and I am online English language teacher, and I'm also a content creator.
Mhm.
And if you talk about my qualification, I have done BSc B8, and my hobbies are reading books and talking with people, and another part I working on my editing because these days I am learning editing, and yes, that's all about me.
Okay, so glad to know about you. Uh, did you know about me?
So much.
Do you know about
Yes,
me?
yes, I want to know a little
Yeah, of
bit
course.
about you. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Vikita and I hail from Gujarat. If I talk about my education, so I done graduation in English literature. Apart from I hold two degree, PGDCA and MCA. Now I am a homemaker, home tutor, and YouTuber. I just started my YouTube channel, and I blessed with one son. So that's about me.
Wow, good, mashallah. How do you manage all these things? You are married and you have a son and you are running your YouTube channel. So please give us some information about it so that we can learn from you.
No, because I want to do something in my life, and if you have the clear goal, so you can get definitely time for yourself. So I start my day early 4:30 in the morning every day, and I because I love to spend 2 hours with myself first 2 hours. So 5:30 to 6:30 every day I spend with myself, and I learn and I try to accumulate more knowledge every day, and after that I play a role of housewife and mother, and whenever I get time, that time I do utilize my time to learn this language. And afternoon, because I know afternoon I don't get time because I also take tuition at home, my home, so I be busy with that, and so in this way I try to manage all the things.
Yes, you are right. If you have a clear goal and you know your why is clear, so you
Right.
definitely manage it. Try to manage it each and everything. Yes, yes, very nice.
Yeah, of course.
So, ma'am, how long have you been, your English journey? I mean, in this journey, learning English journey.
Okay, so I started my journey 6 months ago. I started 6 months ago. I understand the English and I have the basic grammar rules I know, but comes to speaking part, I am zero. I'm that time I was not able to utter any word in front of anyone. So in this way I started. I in initial stage I start with listening. I start miss I listen a lot every day. I try whenever I get not miss whenever I do anything home chores, yeah, doing like cooking, so I plug in Bluetooth in my ear and I start listening practice. I read out loud. I do shadowing practice. I like done speaking practice. Yeah, of course, in initial stage, it had not to crack for me. I'm not able to speak, but somehow I try to manage. And because whenever I started my journey, that time I thought one day I will start my YouTube channel and one day I will speak as a YouTuber. So it is my clear goal I have. So whenever I feel motivated, demotivated, so I always revise my thoughts and thought about my dreams. I have to start my YouTube channel. So in this way I started my journey.
It's really inspiring. Um, you are doing great job, ma'am. I have seen your videos And last video I watched, it was random question, and you are talking with a girl. She's also a YouTuber, and you are asking random questions. So I learned from these questions because sometimes we don't know how to frame the question. We
Right.
forget is sometime do does, so it
Mm.
happens. So but when we watch your video or others video, so in this we can learn so many things, so many
Right.
structures, how to talk, how to frame all the answers. Yeah, it's really very helpful for us who
Yeah.
wants to learn English, who wants to speak English. Yes,
Yeah.
because of your journey can help us. We can learn from you that you are doing a lot of things, listening, speaking, reading, writing. Yes, all four component you were working on it. So now you are here,
Yeah.
and mashallah, you have a lot of subscriber as well.
Yeah, of course. Of course, in initial like 6 month, yeah, 1 year, we have to put our efforts, extra efforts, our dedication. Whenever we
Mm.
reach our initial goal, like now I am capable to express my thought easily. So nowadays I don't put too much efforts, but initially it I have to put so much effort in this language. So it happens. We have to put our efforts in initial stage a lot, and we have to maintain our consistency. Consistency is play a crucial role. Not only English, but any field. You have to want to do anything. You have to maintain your consistency. You have to practice every day, and you have to like practice honestly, not
Mm.
just showing another's person.
Yeah, right, right. I have heard about in video there you are telling us or telling our viewers or that you are very consistent in your
Right,
journey,
right,
because you are telling us that you are every day you make videos and connect with people.
yeah, right.
Very nice. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Consistency is very necessary.
Yeah,
Consistency is a key to success. Yes, and you are successful right now. Yes.
yeah,
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
So, ma'am,
Right, right. So, ma'am.
tell me about something your journey.
Hmm. Yeah, my journey. Before marriage, I was a teacher. I used to teach other subject like grammar and sorry, other subject physics, chemistry, math, English. But at that time we don't have any environment. There is no one
Right,
to speak with them. But it was my, childhood desire to become a fluent speaker. But at that time it was impossible.
right,
Then I did my BSc from university, and I was, nothing. I can't speak. I can read, I can listen everything, but I don't speak because of environment. After pandemic, uh, either I got married and lot of things happened, but it was
right.
my desire in the between. After pandemic, I was thinking because my son was grown up and he got married recently, so I'm free now. So I joined those groups and started talking with them. So my journey started from these groups
Mm-hmm.
because they give us the environment to speak. Whether you are beginners or advanced speaker, they always give you, motivate you. No problem, this is not our language, you start talking. So now at least I can explain something, I can share my views. But I'm still struggling when it comes to speaking. Sometimes I get blank, words are not coming, but I'm still working on it.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah,
it
this is my
happens
all about me.
because it is a long
Hmm.
journey we have to cross. So it happens.
Uh,
I also feel sometimes, even not us, even native speaker also feel sometimes stuck because there are so many vocabularies in this language. There are so many sentence structures, so we cannot catch up all the things in a once a day. So it takes time. We have to
hmm.
like achieve our goal. Yeah, right.
Right, right. Yeah, yeah. I have someone told me that no, native speakers also make mistakes.
Yeah,
So don't worry, because making mistakes is a part of learning. If
right,
you are afraid of making mistakes, so you will not learn. You
right,
should you should just speak, 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 and one day you will improve.
right.
So this thing in my mind, and yes, I say okay, no problem, because earlier I was facing, camera conscious, so I don't want to. But now I'm feeling good. I have done uh, 5 to 6 conversation with others YouTubers. So now, but I'm still, working on it so that I
Yeah,
can
of course.
feel good. But otherwise, I feel butterfly in my stomach whenever I talk with
Yeah, of
someone.
course, it happens.
Right.
Whenever I started my journey on YouTube, so I also felt that, like in 1 to 10 video, I felt that situation. But now I am habitual because every day I take 2 or 3 sessions
Hmm.
mostly. This is my fourth session today. Saturday,
Wow.
Sunday, I have a lot, most of a session because Saturday, Sunday, there are so many people free. So this is my
Yes, yes.
session. So
Hmm.
now I am habitual.
Wow.
I also know I make mistake nowadays. I make like grammatical mistake. I make sentence structure. I make mispronounce the word. I know. In initial, I also afraid of making mistake, and I'm not like whenever I try to speak, I always think, what if I make mistake? What if people think about me? She did mistake. But now
Hmm.
I'm not brother about that. I not think about that because it our part
Hmm.
of journey mistake in it is a stepping stone to our success life. So from mistake I learn something new every day and I try to rectify my mistake. So that's
Right, right, right. This is the only way to improve our English or to,
yeah,
get rid of our mistakes. Otherwise, there is no other magic point. Okay, so
yeah,
we cannot reduce this by
yeah, of course,
practicing, by talking with others, our co-learners, so we can reduce these mistakes gradually, not
yeah, of course.
suddenly, but gradually.
Gradually,
Yes,
yeah, yeah, of course. But,
right.
since childhood we speak our native language. See, but now still
Hmm.
we make mistakes sometime. We are not a master in our
Hmm.
native language also. So it is our second
Hmm.
language. So obviously we make mistake. If we learn
Right,
something
right,
new,
right.
we can mistake. Otherwise, we are those so many people who not learn something new, so they don't make mistake. If we make like now we make mistake, so we can learn something new. That's why we make mistake. Hmm.
Exactly, exactly. Yes, this is the only way. Nothing, we cannot do anything. We just need to talk with others. Mistakes are happen in between, but it will be reduced after sometimes.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Mm.
did you learn this language at in your way? Yeah, you joined any tuition class? Yeah, any spoken class? Yeah, any higher tutors?
Yeah, after university, I got admission in institute.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, my father was very against it because he used to tell me you don't have any environment, so don't waste your money. But
Mm-hmm.
I was very much enthusiastic, and I have told you that I was very childhood desire. Then it became my passion. No, I have to learn. I didn't listen to him. I got the admission in there. He said, okay, go. And then after that, I realized, yes, but I learned grammar over there.
Mm-hmm.
Grammars, rule, grammars, everything I learned from this institute. But speaking part was missing.
Yeah, right.
They never, they give the topic and you have to discuss. But how can we discuss? Because we are
Right.
beginners. But now I realize that, yeah, if so time passed, and I after 3 or 6 months, I think I went there. After 6 months, I was good at grammar. Then after BSc, I started teaching in a school. So I became a like English teacher over there, 9 class or 10 class. They
Mm-hmm.
give me. So I started teaching, but then I realized that just this grammar helps me a lot because
Right.
I am teaching in 9 class grammar,
Mm.
metric class grammar. So yes, but speaking part is very challenging at that time.
Yeah.
But now I can realize it helps me a lot because when I was started speaking with my co-learners, I
Mm-hmm.
didn't learn again grammar's rule because
Yeah.
I knew that.
Yeah. Of
So it
course.
helps me a lot. Now I can speak. I make mistakes a lot, but
Yeah. Right.
I am not that much concerned. I don't care. Okay, let's let go. Just
Yeah, of
speak.
course.
So this is the happening with me. Yes.
So, did you
Right.
believe money teach English? Do you believe?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you believe money teach English?
No, no, money can't teach English. But if I talk about my journey, I was at that time I was very much passionate to learn English. Uh, but I must say that I spend money, but it helps me a lot, but not all the time.
Yeah,
Because if you are not passionate, if you are not your goal is not clear, and if I talk about if your goal there is no goal, and but you want to speak English, so it's not possible. You must be passionate, you must be consistent, then you will learn. Yeah, how much money are you spending? A lot of money you are spending, and thinking that at the back of your mind you're thinking, oh my god, I want to speak English, but it is you are passionate, you have a clear aim in your mind, so you will learn. Otherwise you will waste your money,
yeah.
in my perspective.
I totally resonate with you because no one teach you English. They only give advice. You have to put your efforts, your
Yes.
dedication, then you can speak. All the tutors only give advice. You can do that, listening, writing, speaking, but we have to put our efforts. If we cannot try to speak, we would not be able to become a good speaker. It is a true because
Right.
we can compare two person. If one person pay money and they think about now I pay money so I can learn English easily, and the another person they are not able to like pay money, they learn their language in their way, but they put their efforts and dedication. So
Hmm.
that person become
Right.
fluent, but the paid money he's not, he don't didn't become a fluent because they
Right.
don't put their efforts.
Right, right. If they don't go for the extra mile to improvement, to get knowledge, or to become a fluent speaker, so it is up to you, because
Right.
there are a lot of materials you can find right now in YouTube channel. Or but if you don't have desire to do something, you have do not have the burning desire in it in your heart, so you cannot. Whether you are spending a lot of money, but yes, you are right. It is up to us how to. You cannot make excuses, because I have seen many people, they are making excuses. We don't have time. My husband is here, and I have to cook food. So it is a part of life. If you
Yeah,
want to
very
do
well.
something, you should be there. Only 15 minutes, only 20 minutes is okay right now. But if you don't want to do, people don't have time to listening. So it is because these days I am listening CNN, BBC News. Whenever while eating, I try to listen all these.
Yeah,
So
right.
it will helpful for us.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
we don't need
totally agree.
extra time, or you don't need extra time, or about what would I forgot. Sorry,
Okay.
I forgot.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
yeah,
of
this
course.
is up to us.
Yeah, of course, I totally resonate with you because you have you, me, and another lady who don't do anything. We all have 24 hours in a day, so it totally depends on how to utilize
Right.
our hours in a day. Because you have also responsibility in your shoulder to taking care of children, your house
Mm.
chores. So already have all the things, but it's depend on how to get
Mm.
extra time for us. So now I wake up 4:30 every day, so
Mm.
because I need to extra time, so that's why. Because after that I know my schedule, if I don't wake up early, so my morning become chaotic.
Mm.
I don't finish my time, my work at night or before the deadline, I know. So uh, all have 24 hours, so we have to put our efforts and we have to like get extra time for ourselves if we have desire to do something
Yes,
extra.
yeah, you are
Yeah.
100%. I agree with you 100%, because we have only 24 hours, day and night. So you can take out some time for your improvement, your progress. If you don't want to do so, we cannot force you. It is up to
Yeah,
you.
right, right. Yeah,
If you want to do something, any area of life,
yeah,
yes. But people are habitual to make excuses.
right.
No, we don't have time. We can't do so. Yeah, it doesn't work.
Yeah, of course. But if you have
Mm.
clear goal, first you make your clear goal. If you have clear goal, so you
Mm.
definitely get time. But you have no idea what to do. So that happens.
Mm.
Now you are learn something new, so you have to know about why I learned this language. So you can feel motivated and maintain your consistency. Otherwise, there are so many things, there are so many distractions our surround around like social media and other extra things. So we can distract easily
Mm.
through the social media most of.
Right.
And so it depends on first of all we
Mm.
have to not only English, the everyone have a different capability to grab the knowledge. Like they also are arts, interest in arts. Some are interest in cooking. So there are so many things lady can
Mm.
do it. So but first to find our interest and find our passion, and then you can work on it.
Right, right, right. Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. So,
Yeah.
ma'am, when you start your channel, so what kind of difficulty you faced?
Okay, so I started my channel 2 months ago. 15 December I started my channel, and today like 15 yesterday not tomorrow 15 date. So tomorrow I complete 2 months, and today I'm very happy because I got 200 subscriber. I finished complete, so I'm very happy today. I know it is not a big deal.
Congratulations.
It's small, but still I am happy because I know it is not a big a small thing for me to get like
Yeah,
200
first
subscribers. So I'm very happy for that, and I'm
yeah.
also happy with my journey. I get so many validation, good validation, and from that validation I motivated myself and I maintain my consistency. Yeah, initial stage it becomes a very hard nut to crack for me. Yeah, because I don't
Mm.
know how to create the channel. I don't know how to make the thumbnail,
Oh.
how to edit the video. I'm a zero. But I all the things learn through YouTube. I every day I watch YouTube video, so YouTube video and learn from that. So what happens whenever I started my YouTube channel that day, I wake up early in the morning 3 a.m. and started. I took two phones, my husband and me phone, and one phone I started like how to create the channel. I saw the video, and another my phone I created my channel. So in this way I started my journey. So in initial it was like
Yeah,
1 week. It
yeah.
was 1 week is what was like it was a pathetic situation for me because 5 session I could not able to record the session because I have no idea how to record the session, how to send the
Mm.
meeting link. So but through from my mistake and from my experience, every day I learn something new. Every day I
Mm.
experience new experience, and every day I learn. In this way I started my journey because in initial every field,
Yeah.
not this field, we have like zero, we have no knowledge, but we have to put our extra effort and we step out from our comfort zone. Because since 1 month I
Mm.
overthink,
Right.
I will start, but I always overthink. I have no knowledge, I have, but one day I get courage and I started my channel.
Right, right. You align yourself. I have to do this thing, and you
Yeah,
of course face a lot of difficulty. Even yes, there are many other things you have to keep in your mind because we are not aware about the technical side.
right.
We don't know how to edit. And yes, when I started my channel, I was thinking, should I start in my native language or English language?
Mm.
Because I have seen many YouTubers. They are, of course, mix. It was mix.
Right,
When they are making solo videos, so of course you have any vocabulary words, so you will explain in your native language or
right.
in your English language. So
Mm.
I kept thinking, my son told me, "Oh my God, you should start now. Whatever you have grammar." Then I studied grammar. But after that, when my son got married, I got free time, so I started solo videos.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, you have to put some extra effort. It is your wish, so you will. It is you who
Yeah,
will
of course.
do this. No
Because
one can come sky
yeah, of course.
force you. Yeah,
Yeah, of course,
right,
because
right.
no
So
one
it was
helped
your
me.
you right, right. So you were very passionate about English learning and speaking,
Yeah,
so you did very well.
yeah, of
And
course.
your husband supported you a lot.
Yeah,
Yes.
of course,
Very
my
nice,
husband
ma'am. Very.
supported me every time. Whenever I need him help, every time he support me. Not in my language learning journey, but other extra support me. Because in my area the network issue, so he like get the cable Wi-Fi connection, connect the, and he purchased laptop for me because without laptop I can able to record the session. So in this way, he helped me a lot.
Right.
He always say, "I can help you." In another side, you want to do something in your life, so I am always help you and support you. You can do whatever you want to do. So because
Hmm.
whenever my son was
Yes,
like
yes.
1 2 years, that time I'm preparing competitive exam, so always I am busy that
Oh,
so he always help me to take care of my son. He always like sleep at night, my son, he feed him, so he always support me. Hmm.
very nice. Yeah, you are very blessed
Yeah.
to have a very nice husband. Yeah, it happens. My husband is
Without support,
also
yeah,
never, interfere with me.
because without
He never
support we can't
interfere
do.
me, but
Mhm.
yes, we cannot do because anyone can come or interrupt you while you are making
Right.
videos. But whenever he see me that I am talking, then now he has finished his dinner alone. He's eating his dinner alone.
Yeah, of
So
course.
he never interrupted me. So
Yeah.
that's why I'm here. That's why I'm
Yeah.
learning. That's why I'm doing something concrete way. So
Hmm.
yeah,
Yeah, of course,
it's
I
very
totally resonate with you
necessary.
because sometimes we also forget
Mm-mm.
some our responsibility through this, because there are so many happens in our mind, like creating YouTube channel. So there are like upload video, like taking care of son and doing home chores. So sometimes we
Mm.
forgot something, but they support every day. It's okay. You can next day. So then in this way they support, so it is okay for us. Mhm.
Yeah, and ma'am, whether you are making solo videos or big video, long video, you have to give time because you have to edit it. It
Yeah, of
takes a
course.
lot of time. Sometimes, not every time, but sometimes you have to think a lot. Sometimes, so of course, we needs help.
Yeah, of course.
So my husband also supports me. I was thinking that my God, editing is taking too much time
Right.
initially because I am learning and I'm
Yeah.
doing so right now it's very difficult, but I was thinking myself, okay, let the time go. You will gradually learn. It
Yeah, of
it will
course.
take less time when you in
Yeah.
future, inshallah. No, yes.
Mhm.
I,
Okay. So
right, ma'am.
now we completed 30 minutes. So do you have any questions, so you can ask me?
No, ma'am. I have asked you so many questions. It
Okay.
was very, nice talking with you.
Yeah, of course, it was amazing session also, and I also learned
Yes.
something from you, and I also I hope viewer also learn something from us, and I hope they will start their journey. So it was amazing session,
Yeah,
and thank you
yeah.
so much
You
for
are a very
giving your
great
time.
inspiration.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, you have become everyone great inspiration, I would say, because you are doing multiple work, and yes, we learned so many things from you. You are doing, and inshallah, I
Yeah.
will do
Thank
the
you.
same thing. Uh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye
Thank
bye.
you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
inviting
much.
me.
If
Bye.
you
Take
have
care.
any specific topic, so we will catch up again. I love to talk with you
Yeah, yeah,
again.
definitely. I love
Okay.
to talk. Yeah, yeah, I love to talk. Same here. Same
Okay.
here,
Bye bye.
man.
Good night.
Bye bye. Good
Bye.
night.